Welcome to the most exclusive street in Britain. This is the Bishop's Avenue, famously known as Billionaires Row, located between Hampstead and East Finchley in North London. Here, properties are valued between £20 and £100 million. Privacy, security, and power define every entrance. Architectural masterpieces rise behind perfectly trimmed hedges. Supercars rest quietly in marble courtyards. Step inside and experience pure opulence. Expansive living spaces designed for global elites. Kitchens crafted with Italian marble and bespoke finishes. Private dining rooms worthy of royalty. Bedrooms designed as five-star hotel suites. Walk-in wardrobes the size of apartments. Bathrooms finished with handcrafted stone. Many homes feature private indoor swimming pools. Underground garages house multi-million-pound collections. Private gardens stretch across acres of manicured land. As night falls, the street transforms into a glowing palace corridor. Would you choose to call this street home?